making my weekly avatar. While I make this avatar, I just need to tell you that I will not be uploading for about a week exactly, maybe more, like till like June 30th maybe, because I'm going on vacation. I'm going to Georgia with my cousin's house. Then we're going to Great Wolf Lodge, and it's like insanely fun. So yeah, I will be here for a while. But anyways, I'm making my avatar of the week, so then if you find me on Roblox, you can have fun and you can say hi to me, stuff like that, you know? Anyways, I'm just about done, so like, oh, but you can't like and subscribe before I finish. 3, 2, 1. My avatar of the week. Actually, hold on. I couldn't stand it. I can't stand it anymore. It's coming off, and I'm replacing it with these bangs. Anyways, so this is my avatar for the week. So this is my avatar of the week. I will still be playing Roblox while I'm in the games. Like while I'm in the game, while I'm on vacation, I'll still be like playing Roblox because yeah, why not? And yeah, this is my new Roblox avatar for the week. I'll see you back on June 30th with a new avatar. I might change it while I'm there, I don't know. But if I do, I'll just make a video and saying, you know, whatever. I've talked too much. Bye! Hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to Crystal Rose to join my beautiful crystal cavern. Guess what? I already have 243 subscribers, so yeah. And if you're wondering why, whatever, I am actually going to be making a 240 subscriber special video. So it might not come out for a while because it's gonna take a while. I might have more than that by the time I finish, but I'm gonna take my chances and I'm gonna make sure it comes out as fast as I can. Okay, I've said too much. You're probably annoyed from my voice. Bye. Love you.